tâm lâu na lung với pu ruồi cả lâu đâu tay ninh tàu na răng xì thì cái này la mày à chủ này ninh băm mày tan thui mà mày gần lung ninh cây thì cái này la mày đập pu na lung đi không năng ai lung buông mày bắn ti không cái gần gây lung cốc mày view gần mày đập pu na lung mày cả ram mày dừng cười đô căng ta lặn mày tan thui mày bốc cây na lung mày tranh luôn đây cả gần khăn lung một bom xí mi tui lung ninh xăm cây là gay ping là gay hal là gay ai rồi tạt vào mày phai cam cả ram mày khăn đi lung mày lung ninh khâu nai na tạt bom tan mày cả quay tan thui mang ninh mà mày cả quay gong tăng mặc na lung qua mà bắn ti thì cái thing qua mày phải cắm cả lại mặc bắn ti ai quay na đây chung mày tập pu na tạt lana mày gai na bang gai là na khắc cắt tạt ya na lung khâu mày la mày khăn đi dọc khâu nụy mày nai na lung khăng su mày ti lo bấm mày cả quay này tay bên thái mày bắn ti su khâu tạt căn mày gan khâu ninh hẳn mày ya su sầu riu na lung mi tay ri tan buồn chu na sing mày gan ai ri mặc cung ring mày gan mày gai mày ya pu ai ri rak cả lung ti ma lao dai lao ca ram chân nuôi ya ta sum lo nắng thong phải cam lum mà tạt pu khâu khăn đi cọ bấm mày cái bao tay cao hu lâu pu khâu xuôi mang ngặt ti lo pu nên ninh bấm mày cả quay này tay hi lao na ba mày in than mày cái turi mày la rê khâu rau gong gong ti cả tung na sập tam mày tay pura yo cùng mày tay mi quay hey nang nhiều khăng ti lo pu ni na sa la bấm mày ninh tàu la na ca ta thua na ca ram chỉ sắc tha na lum mày pan đi su đi khâu
su kan dia kum kan dia nang ni bak bam sini nai kha tham ni ar karam na ar fam na bang khâu na kai ku sa sa na ka mai
hay na magelat azu marite sakang lung thao mai kara gai mak ragong ri ka hau kani lung long ngam mak gai mak ge sa mai bang wa thai na bau lo mak mai ka man thai mak pan ti ka ba pan ti khau gai mai kum mai nai nu ngai mai ka hau sa nge ga anja tu lo ri mai ma lo ni sa tong kan di khau mi ta ri pum khang khat ni gang mai gai mai ti lo zat mak tu zak mai pan ti khau lung ni mak mai thau pu nai jo wat nai ri pa dek na ai ri lung wang gai ni mik tui mak mai ka khon pan mak ka lam ching ru kan nai ning lo mai akhat wang tang mai akhat chan gai mak pam kon si ni nai gai na loi lo mai pan ti khau lu khang ning mai ai ri ti khau tan won ka wei shu pan nga mak pam kon si ni gai mai ting nik na sa mai ma chu long na luk mai zik mai di ko luk pak wi na gai the mai ri ngam lo gai mai ta la ni ke shi mai ko bau lo tak mai tan wai thui mai ngam mak lai la mai rau gai ning ting ti lo thai khang khat ni kan ram khang nai zi mak mai pai kam azu pan ti khang gang mai gai mai pa la thai mai nau mai a rim la ge ngam mak bak mai lung ning ta rai kan mai zen mai man sai ka wei kai bau ka ta luk na luk mai san gai mai ye kim kan pu ni pan ti lang ri kha lo ngam mak ti la ka wei ai so yam ra wong khau ri gwang mai ka pat re
Good morning, my Expulse Travel Diary family. Today I'm moving out from Imphal city towards Tamenglong, one of the hill districts in Manipur. It has been quite a while since I have not visited Tamenglong, and I'm very sure I'm going to have a very great ride. I'm told that the road is very good, so I'm gonna explore it and also share my experience with you all. And for those of you who are from Tamenglong and have missed your town or your district for a long time, it will be quite a treat. So do stay with me. Here begins the foothill company. Tamenglong. Hi. Thank you. Huh? Oh. Okay. Okay. Enjoying the fresh, cool breeze of the morning. I may not be wrong to say that Assam could be the example in the northeast to look up to and really work on good road. that's how the development also is coming very fast, and I think the leaders are also doing quite well in that regard. This is one thing that I really am proud to speak about Assam. We are from India, and also we are from one particular region called Northeast region, so we can definitely learn from each other. I think if I'm not wrong, we are just 20 to 30 kilometers out from the Imphal city, and we have met quite a bit of untarred, unmaintained road. Just cross the Cortland. Gonna be 8:30. Road is like the lifeline of development, of prosperity, of connectedness. If the road is bad, it is a sign of many things. To pull. Cái luông thắt tụi này có đã năng cây mà có hay rồi đã. Guys, if you love mountains, do visit Tamenglong as well. A very beautiful place. We are at Luangchum village. I think some road construction will happen here. During rainy season, this will be all slushy and muddy, a bit difficult to even walk. Guys, look at there. I think this is a railway track, and I think something to do with railway station, I believe. Look at this road condition. Till now, what I feel is that out of 5 stars, I would give 2 stars. Let us see if my opinion changes when we reach the destination. Let's go! Let's go, Expulse, my white horse! This is Khong Sang diversion. From here, on my right is Tamenglong and left is Jeribam. So we go up here. Oh, wow, look at the Rocky Mountain, majestic. We're almost at the top of the mountains. In fact, we are higher than some of the mountains. The air quality that you get, my friends, it's different level. And thankfully the road is also quite empty today. It's holiday. The weather also is excellent. This is Nam Kao Long village. Kai Kao ni hey ya. Nee. It's completely changed, yeah. In Khong Sang there are 2 roads. One leads to Jeribam, another leads to Tamenglong district. And from that point till now the road is very smooth and good. We are now in Kahuluang. Wow. And what is written here? Yes, Kangchiu Luan village. Emmanuel Theological Seminary. Do you long for district hospital na ito bisa tika. Tamenglong. Toto Tamenglong. Headquarter area Guthe. Khong Sang Korena. ตะแมงลองตองเผาผมน่ะก็เสียมหวังเรามันจะไปนะทวนกูเว้ย leaders กวยตะเขาคงสร้างโคตรนะอิงฟ้าไก่ดำมีแต่เน่สุดสุยนะสุดเราต้องทำไม่ตรงไหนจะต้องไก่รันนี่ตรงไหนให้ medical gate hospital นายบำเดียนี่กลุ่มตรงสุขา dispensary กว่าเลยให้นี่จะดูนังpark ตัวนี้ I love ตะแมงลองเข้ากราบแล้วคนนี้ตัวใช่ฮะเต้นนะครับตะแมงลองต้องตาวน์แซงฮะ ให้นี่สวยๆไปเลยตรงไหนจะเท่ากับฮักปนี้เลยเจียนไม่กวยอันนี้จะเลี้ยงร้องตรง headquarter ต่อไปตะแมงลอง district ไม่ตรง headquarter แซงนะตัวกระเสียมสุยนะกระเสียมเปล่าปัว leaders กวยCanara Bank ใส่ของเธอเขาเลยรวยไม่สกันเททุกคนแทบไม่กวยนะก็ต้องvlog รวยไม่เผาเจ้าลงไม่ขังใจ Thank you very much I end my vlog here